Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Don't even know if anyone's here. I'm talking to myself. Good morning, everyone. All right. Give me just 1 second here. Finish all this shit up. Copy over here. Come back over here. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, I think you're good. I think everybody can hear me anyways. Give me just a second here. Get my tag words put in. Come over to here, streaming location, date, almost end of the month. Man, time is flying, is it not? Whole effing year has flown by. This is our first full calendar year of the safetytrade.com. Very proud of that. We already have our fiscal year. That was September. And then we're going to save this. Now, everyone here, let's see if anyone's here. I don't really care who's here. Good morning to everybody. Let's make sure we get more than 2 thumbs up. Good morning, D Nice. Good morning, Jason Roby and Jay Parker and Martin Griffiths. Good morning, Ryan and Wealth Creation Project. Excellent morning to you, sir. Good morning, Umar and William Jones. Good morning, DW. I have the legal disclaimer up, and I just need a couple yeses, if you would, please. Good morning, Cameron. I'm going to go ahead and read it to you, but I know you guys can see it and read it because I can see it and read it. And on my screen. So I know if I can see it, you guys can see it. Good morning, CyberX. What's up, buddy? Durvav Rana. Good morning, sir. Yes. Thank you. I didn't even read it. That's awesome, guys. That's all. So we're all on the same page that I am 100% not a financial advisor, and no one else here is. Not saying that we have any issues, but I'm cutting off all issues ahead of time. Please read this over. You can pause the video and read it. You can read it at your leisure. You can read it anytime you want. It is hopefully pretty thorough. And I make no bullshit lies. I am not a financial, I don't apply to be one. I don't pretend to be one. I am just a small time little itty bitty social media influencer, which I think is embarrassing for me to use, but that's what I am. So I sell t-shirts, I sell the system, I sell hats, I sell mugs, I sell the system, I sell the advanced. So in other words, not that our government doesn't have anything else better to do in their lives, but screw all this shit. I want no part of anything. I have no pretending to be an expert on anything other than I created a system that I use, that I make money with, and I just have it out there. If you guys want to use it, feel free. You're all grown ass adults. Do your own shit. Don't oh, come on now, really? Let me grab it there. There you go. All right, all done with that. So I got some yeses on that. We're good. Let's go back over here. Yep, we're good. I think we're live good. We'll shrink that back down. Come over to here. Oh, look at there. Looky there. 3, soon to be 4. Look for a US 31-minute sell to its 5-minute red line. As called out last night, in my video, not even, it's probably because I went late last night. I think it was like 10, 11 o'clock. I think it was 11 p.m. There you go. And I'm going to go ahead and go live on TikTok. So if you guys can head over there, look at that. As called out, you are now seeing the sell stops kick in that were called out last night. I should go in there. Let me see my, hold on one second. I'm going to see something. I'm going to skip something for a second. I want to see where, I want to be there. Oh yeah, I'm going to do that. Let's take out a knockout and we're going to go under indices. Geez, I'll log in again. I'm going to go over to Nadex, NADEX.com. I'm going to go over to my knockouts indices, Wall Street 30, and I'm going to go ahead and see what I can do here. 224 and place order. Boop. And then what? Where? What? It's saying I don't have any industry. What? Okay, that is annoying me. Okay, not fucking around here. There we go. Okay, now I got two open. I'm doing these are very short-term sells. Long-term, it's going to be a buy. I just want to see if I can pull off a quick little something or other. Quick little something or other. All right. That's US 30. Sorry, digressed. But when I see the 2 out of 3 scanner doing its thing, I am looking hard. Here we go. All right. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Good morning, everybody everywhere. I don't know where the hell y'all people are at. Just looking to see if I can pull off a quick little something or other there. Da 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 da. What do you say? Boulevard. Da 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 da. Na 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 na. Da 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 da. Part of your world. Part of your world. Let's see. Is that light any better? Doesn't look to be. Let me see if I can move this. Give me just 1 second here, setting something else up. Good morning, D-Nice. Carlos, Sirocco. Nope, yep, that's about as good as we can get. I guess the camera itself is sucky. Oh, well, close enough. All right, I have 2 trades open over here and 2 trades open over there. The 2 trades open over here are these trades right here. I have a $167 per ounce gold trade going on a buy, and I have 759 pips on a NAS 100 buy. Oops, let me pull this over more. These are the trades and the times in. If you guys have never seen this, it's a buy gold on 10.9. I've been holding a trade since October the 9th. 1.0 lot size. This is a NAS 1.0 lot size buy. And this is an Eagle FX, the broker, but I pretty much pulled all my money out except for these trades right here. But it is what it is at this point. 11/10, November the 10th on the trade on the buy and NAS, and we're up 706. Unheard of. A, to be holding a trade this long. B, to have 167 dollars per ounce per gold is insanity. 762 pips on a NAS trade is insanity. That's a lot of pips for both. 10 pips is on average what an average professional trader makes a day, just so we're clear. All right, so this is it. I'm looking for the US 30 to go down to the 5-minute line, but ultimately you're going to see the buy stops kick in later today. That's all. So I'm going to hold my little, I have 2 little options on sells on US 30. That's all. So how do I get to these little things? I'll tell you in a second. First thing is we're going to go over gold. Boop. Let me see. We're going to shrink this 1-minute sell stop to the blue line. 1-minute sell stop to the blue line gold. Watch it go down before your very eyes. Let's see if we can get the hit. Let me see. Nice. I think we can pull that. But anyway, we'll get back to that in a second. All right. So good morning to everybody. Good morning, Botnator. What's up, Botnator? What's up, Carlos? Carlos. Good morning, D Nice, Jason Roby, Jay Parker, Martin Griffiths. Good morning, Ryan. Good morning, Wealth Creation Project again. Good morning, Umar. Good morning, William Jones, DW. Good morning, Cameron again. Good morning, CyberX again. Durav Rana. Good morning again. Jason Roby. Thank you guys for all saying that. Yes. Good morning, Harry Chasen. Good morning, Cy. Good morning, DJ Arcos FX. Good morning, Sipta TV. Good morning, Lisa Shea. Sipta TV, TT. Didn't you have your training yesterday? How did you like that? Good morning, Nadal Sankar. Good morning, Michael Stefani. Good morning, Umar again. USD JPY 15-minute 1 hour was beautiful. Oh, let me check it out. Cool. Thank you for telling me that. Good morning, Sam UK. What's up, Sam UK? We got the 1 minute, 5 minute super close on 1 to 300. Is any significance? Just curious as Street Parker. We got the 1 and 5 minute blue line super close on 2 to 3 indices. Yeah, I just spoke on that. Good morning, Yolanda. Sipta TV. Yes, it was amazing. Good job. Good morning, Manula. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. I do need everybody on YouTube to switch over to TikTok too, have both open. I'm wonderful, Sam. How are you, my brother? Good morning, Terrace Watson. Let me see the USD JPY that he's talking about. I love when things are beautiful. USD JPY. USD JPY. Here we go. And here we go. 1 minute sell stop to the all three indices to the 5 minute blue line on US 30. That's my call out right now. 1 hour buy stops. I literally called this out last night for you all. You're reaping the rewards. I told you by 9:30 in the morning you'd have at least the 1 minutes, probably the 5 minutes. And if we're probably going to be doing things correctly, we'll have 1 or 2 15 minutes hit on the blue lines. Good morning, Larry Cooper. What's up, Bando's house? Yes, another great day buff ground. Always have an attitude of gratitude. Pretty much one of the highest levels you can be at if you're in whatever, the vibration and prayers and all that stuff. Always want to be thankful to God. Yeah, there's misery and yeah, there's pain and nothing's perfect in my life. That's for damn sure. But so what? Beautiful life to have issues, beautiful life to have pains, beautiful life to have great things, to have great feelings. Just beautiful. All of it's great. I'd rather have these feelings than be dead. How about that? So that's my view. I see a beautiful, what is this, 1 minute setting up? All right, let's go. He said 15 minute, 1 hour. Let's take a look at the 15 minute. Let's take it to 1 hour. USD JPY, 15 minute right here and 1 hour. Did he say it happened or is happening? I don't know. What was the question? He said a beautiful USD was beautiful. So Umar said it was beautiful. So I'm assuming he means here. Yep. First time it happened would have been right here yesterday. It arched up. I'm not comfortable with the sniper not being up high enough on that, but that's good. It'd be a good enough trade for us by all means. Absolutely. And let's see. It's currently forming another one, by the way. Yeah. Let me see what this one did right here. This had to be the full pullback right here. Yep. There it is. So Omar, we already have one, and it looks to me like we have another one coming up. Let me see the 30 minute. Yep, 30 minute sell and a 1 hour. Yep, fill in the gap. Let me do they have GP, wait, do they have knockouts? Whoa, hold on a second. I don't know under the knockouts Forex. What are we trading here? USD JPY. They do. Holy fucking shit. They have knockouts. That is sweet. They're not very big, but I'll take them. Double the amount. We'll go like that. Who knew? USD. Thank you. I like this call actually. Anywho, I dropped in a few. They're small. They're like $50 a contract, so $50 profit on that. Yeah, we'll see how that works out. I'm very happy with that. Thank you. It's a nice little trade right there. He's right. Should have already been done one time before, but unfortunately, we missed that one yesterday. Can't watch everything, right? Good morning, Julie Gaia. Good morning, Julie. Nadal, thank you for being grateful to God. Appreciate that. I'm sure he does. Good morning, Bob Uten. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning. Oh, Sam Carey did. Good morning, Terrence again. All right. Let's see what we got. That's a beautiful one. Thank you for that. Now, we're going to call out gold, oil, all these things. Let me go through it, and then I'm going to teach you how I trade exactly, and we'll go from there. Gold, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Already did it once, already did it twice. Hell, it might not even do it again, but I'm going to call it anyways. Gold, 1 minute sell. Then gold. It just doesn't stop going up. 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 30 minute, 1 hour, 30 minute, 1 hour buy stop. 30 minute, 1 hour buy stop with gold. It doesn't stop going up. Let me show you why it doesn't stop going up. Because on the daily, which is the one I was waiting for, it went down. Let me show you what this looks like. Let me be clear here with the gold. I have time, right? Yeah, 7 o'clock, even if they're coming out with bullshit news. All right, this is what you got. We're trading just for our logo, right? That's our rules, is our logo. We're in the money. We're in the money on the sell on in the money on the sell on my USD JPY. I'm already up $6. I'm up $8, up $4. Already in the money on the trade. Thank you, Umar. I'll take that 8 and 6. I'm not closing my trade down, but thank you for that. We're already in the money on the USD JPY sell stops. $8. Look at that go. Look at that go. Woo! I've never traded that on Nadex before in my life, and there we are already in the money. Look at that go. $12. 12. Now, if I'd have did, give me about 10 of those, we'd be up 120 bucks right now. Nice. That's nice. Well, that's cool. All right. Nice. Thank you, Umar. All right. Let's get back to what I'm looking at. Gold. So what did I do? Well, I was getting in at different time periods, stuff like that, and I timed the bottom of the weekly, but that's fine. What matters is this. I was waiting for our logo to form, and you guys need to follow on. Come over, come up, and come down, and then pop, up it went. See, that's what I was waiting for it to do is this. I had my take profit right here. It came that close. I think it was within $10 an ounce on that close of tapping me out, but it didn't. Thank God. So then when it didn't, I knew that if I can catch that at the right time, then it would bounce off, do our logo, and come back up. By the way, this is nothing more than a upward sloping W, just to be clear. Some people are trying to get these W's and M's. They're just triple bottoms, double bottoms, triple tops, whatever. I refer to them as that. That's not really what it is. But if you look at things clearly, you can see, for instance, well, this is actually the logo right here. Started above, came down, formed an M and came down. Now it came back up and went up. That's all it's doing. You guys, everyone complicates everything. It's not hard. Well, it's tricky to see, but it is not hard to do. We're up $12. Woohoo! Thank you, Umar. That's fucking fantastic, Umar. Anywho, so what did I do? I put it in, put my order in, bounced off our line and went up. How much higher? Went up higher than here. So everyone said, well, why would you eat and lose $76 or $56 per ounce on or per your whole trade? So if I'm using it for my contract, why would I lose $56? Because I knew I was going to end up making back over that 90. So I knew when this actually happened that on higher time frame was going to do the fill in the gap, which it did right here. You can see it filled in the gap. Pink came up beautifully, and then it's done its thing. Boom. Now, can I move up my take profit? Absolutely. I'm going to move up my take profit to there. And then just wait. And then let it keep going up. If it keeps going up, I let it keep riding. Right now, I'm going to be up how much per ounce? 100 and about 119, about $120 an ounce. Is locked in take profit no matter what. Are you kidding me? Whew, that's some money right there. All right. And that was a NAS again, 1 minute sell stop. We're up $12, $16. Nice. Look at that little trade go. Hope I make a couple $100 off that thing. It's no big deal, but I like to tag things, verify where we're at with things, and I go back, especially over the weekend, and I look at the trades, what I traded. These aren't for me to get rich on. These aren't my big trades. These are just little taggy trades. It's fluctuating between $8 and $12. Love it. Love it. All right. So that's why gold's doing what gold's doing, by the way. Let's get back to the thing. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Looks like we're going to hit it. 5 minute. 15, I told you. 30 minute, 1 hour. 30 minute, 1 hour buy stop gold. 4 hour. A little far away for my taste. Daily, it's also a little far away. We've made our money. We're good on that. Morning, Johan. Morning, Steve. All right, so that's gold. Let's keep going. We're going to skip over our 3 indices. I already called them out. 1 minute sell stops, all 3 indices to the 5 minute blue line of US 30. Then look for 1 hour buy stops, all 3 indices. That's all I'm saying. ERUSD is the same as, oh, look at it go. Is the same, is the opposite of USD CHF. USD CHF, if there's a buy stop, then the one's a sell stop and vice versa. So let's take a look. 1 minute. EUR USD, it did its blue line already once. It did it twice. It could be done here. Let's look for a higher time frame buy. It is. Fill in the gap, 5 minute buy stop. 30 minute buy stop. Oh, that was gorgeous. We could have caught that. Too bad I'm a little late. 1 hour, 4 hour. So this is a 1 hour, 4 hour buy on ERUSD, forming a daily to the daily blue line, it looks like, by the way. Forming a weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line. That's what you're looking at. All right. Beautiful. Too late. I'm not getting into that trade, but that's what it is. Bitcoin. 1 minute. Let me see. Ethereum. Bitcoin and Ethereum run together. They're actually exactly right now. That's kind of funny. Let me see something real quick. 5 minute. And let me shrink this down. 5 minutes. Yep. And let me see over here on Bitcoin. Nice. Beautiful. Bitcoin, 1 minute buy stop. Ethereum, 1 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue line of Bitcoin, to the 5 minute blue line of Ethereum. That is Bitcoin, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30, nope, 31 hour, 30 minute, 1 hour sell stop Bitcoin. Bitcoin, 4 hour daily buy stop. Love that one. Bitcoin. Weekly sell, monthly buy Bitcoin. Ethereum, 1 minute buy, 5 minute to the 5 minute blue line of Ethereum. 15 minutes. Doesn't mean it's going to touch it. It means it's going to go towards it. Sort of odd. Every little thing I have to spell out for everybody. It drives me nuts. I wish there was common sense with trading, but whatever. I'm going to stay out of it. Okay. Ethereum, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. 30 minute sell stop. 30 minute, 1 hour sell stop Ethereum. 4 hour daily buy stop. Weekly sell stop Ethereum. Monthly buy stop Ethereum. XRP. Come on, little XRP. Let's see what happens to you. 1 minute buy. XRP, 5 minute. 1 minute, 5 minute buy. XRP, 15 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour. 30 minute, 1 hour sell to the 1 hour blue line. We hit it. I called this yesterday. Hell yeah, we hit it. We hit it once, twice, and this even looks like the green one hit it 3 times. It definitely hit it twice yesterday. Told you. Buy the damn system, learn how to trade. All right, where were we? 1 hour. Yep, it's going to be another 1 hour to the blue line. 30 minute, 1 hour sell stop to the blue line again. 4 hour buy, daily buy. 4 hour daily buy stop, XRP. Weekly sell stop to the blue line. Monthly buy stop, XRP. Next in our rodeo of things, US oil, which pissed me off last night. Mofos. That really annoyed me. I had a sell in and it tapped me on the buy. So I lost like, I don't know, it wasn't much, but like, oh, we're up $32. We're up $32. Ho, ho, ho. USD JPY. Who do I give credit for on that one? That was Umar, I believe. Let's take a look. USD JPY. Oh, what a glorious day. USD JPY, USD JPY. Yep, there she blows. In the money, $32. Thank you, $36. $36 made seconds ago, minutes ago, whatever it was. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that was nice money. Umar, thank you very much. I'm going to close down 2 of those. No sense of keeping more open than we need. Let me close down those. I'll keep the 2 open I had. Take our money and run on those. Thank you, Umar. You say, oh, it's just 30. I don't care. It's the principal thing that we win. That's all I care about. Are we winning or are we losing our trades? I just won on the trade. Well, what's $36 to you? Fuck that. $36 to you is $36. $36 to me is $36. I'm happy as a fucking pit in mud. Oh, anywho, where were we? Back to oil. US and UK oil, they're the same. 1 minute. 1 minute sell. And then it's a 1 minute. Okay. It's a 30-second 1 minute sell. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop ricochet to the blue line. 15 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour sell. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. Still going to go up a little though. To the daily blue line. It already hit it yesterday as called. Weekly buy. And that's all I'm calling for oil. Let's go back to our 3 indices. Look at how gorgeous. Now I got to teach you how I do these. So 30 minute, 1 minute in SPX already went past this blue line. It's under its blue line. We trade all 3 indices as one. That's why we have this scanner. It's a $500 a month scanner, free to everyone that's in the sniper, free to everyone that's in the regular scanner room. This is US 30, NAS, and SPX. I already called this out last night at 11 p.m. I said you're going to see the 1 minutes. You'll see the 5 minutes, right? And then eventually, you might even see a couple of these hit their 15-minute sells. And then you'll see it flip over to the buys again. That's how accurate the scanner is. We've literally made hundreds, if not thousands of dollars the last few days using it. It's just a blast. All right, now where were we? This is SPX. Let me see. NAS must be underneath it. It is. NAS is underneath is US 30. Yep, underneath it. Okay, beautiful. So let's go back. So that's our 1 minute. And by the way, if I'm not specific enough, by drawing it out, writing it out, and typing it out, 1 minute sell stops. I think those worked out pretty well. My favorite are 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops is what I wrote out yesterday. Same thing applies. Yep. So that's it. If you said I didn't say a 1 minute sell, F you and leave. I absolutely said a 1 minute sell stop last night at 11 p.m. and they all did it. Now, is it going to keep going down? I think so. So let me check US 30 real quick and see what it's going to do on its 5 minute. Yep, I do believe we're going to see that. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stops. Play any of them you can on US 30 NAS or SPX to the US 35 minute blue line. How am I calling that? Strictly off the scanner. 2 out of the 3 already hit theirs. Waiting for US 30 to at least come close to it. I'm not saying it's going to change. I'm saying it's going to get close. It's called the H&H scanner for horseshoes and hand grenades. And if you don't know what that fucking means, then I don't know. Google it. All right. And that's all that is. Now, after that, we are clearly looking at a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. All 3 indices. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop for NAS. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop for SPX. 1 hour buy, 4 hour buy stop for US 30. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops. That's what I'm telling you. Matter of factly, let me go over to NAS. And which one do I like better here? Hold on a second. And then I'm going to go into detail how I make these trades so you guys can learn just like me. Just like me. All right, loading up my 1 hour, 4 hour off the 1 hour line, but it's technically off the 4 hour line. The reason for this, we want this to go below the yellow. See, remember I told you yesterday we wanted to go below it. It did. Someone should have been in this trade. I didn't lower mine enough. You'd already be done with the trade. You'd be up 20, 30 pips if you listened to me last night. But again, whatever. See, I was waiting for it to go below. I was sleeping when it did. I had set up my buy stop above it right here. It should have been brought down lower. I didn't bring it down lower because I was sleeping. Called life. All right. Oh, sorry. Yes, Umar, you're reading the charts correctly. We made money on the trade. Thank you, sir. Good morning, Johan. Good morning, Tim. Good morning, Pip. Pip Hunter. Good morning, Raider Trader. Good morning, Terry Gross. Still love the name Raider Trader. Good morning, and thank you, Tim, for being on both places, by the way, on the TikTok and on the YouTube. Just helps with all that stupid algorithm stuff. By the way, 38 thumbs up with 74 people watching. I cut off TikTok last night because there wasn't enough people responding. I will cut off YouTube in a split second. Matter of fact, I might just give you a few minutes. And then if I don't see more thumbs up on YouTube, I'm just heading over to TikTok. I'll be over there all morning. Oh, look at that. And all of a sudden we jump eight thumbs up. You guys are funny. Good morning, Joe Biga. In the money on that. I love that. Thank you, Umar. That was fantastic of you. Thank you, sir. I have 2 buy stops. I have a NAS. I'm in a buy. Sorry. I'm in a NAS buy. I'm in a gold buy long term. I have 2 NAS 1 hour buy stops set up. I'm in a sell, 2 position sell on USD JPY in the money on those. And I'm in sell on US 30 short term to see if we can get a little pull out of the money here on US 30. Right now, that is negative $8. But we're positive $14 on our USD JPYs. And that's all the positions I hold in these accounts. Morning, Julius. Good morning, Grease Monkey. You smashed it? Awesome. Hope you kicked ass. All right. Next. I think Mike's still getting confused with a lot of things. I just remember what he was talking about this morning. All right. That's all our indices. All our symbols. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 or 12 symbols this morning. If anybody wants me to call it any more, let me know. If anybody has any questions, please ask them now. And I hate weaselly little people who don't ask the questions on a live, and then they whine and say that I don't allow questions to be asked. I'm asking you to ask your questions now. Please do. Ask your questions now. If you can't see them, if I don't see the question, that means they're being blocked. You need to flip over to my Gmail and ask me on Gmail. The theforexsafetytradesystem at gmail.com. Good morning, Jason Westberg. Good morning, Harry. I'll go over that in detail, but not right now. No, I made my call outs on those. Good morning, Moto 3330. Okay. All right. So let's go over how to trade. Exactly how I trade every day without question. Oh, look at that. We're up $18 on those things. Just 2. $20. So we already took out profit of what was it? Damn, was it 26 or 36? I think it was $36. And now I'm up another $20 on these things. That's incredible. All because of Umar. Great call out, Umar. Standing ovation for that, Umar. Can I ask about an advanced trading question? As long as nothing to do specifically with any kind of numbers, yes. Michael Stefani, sure. How to play? Absolutely, court currency. Love the sniper. Be my pleasure to do that. Need more people on TikTok or I'm blocking YouTube. And I'm not waiting until 9 o'clock. If I don't have more people over there in the next few minutes, meaning, I don't know, what are we at, 77? I need at least like 40. I'm just going to take down YouTube and I'm going to go over to TikTok. And no more warnings. I'm just in one of those moods this morning. Actually, I'm in a really good mood this morning. Look at that, $22. Fuck. Look at USD JPY. What the hell is this thing doing? Look at it go down. Umar, your 15-minute, 1 hour sell stop, and it's actually a 30-minute 1 hour sell stop. And this isn't even the first time it happened. Umar called it yesterday. He played this yesterday. He'd already be up hundreds and hundreds. Well, how many pips would he be up? Let's not exaggerate. He would have made 118 pips on USD JPY. I just got in it this morning because I thought, well, fuck it. That's a beautiful 30-minute, 1 hour sell stop filling the gap. It's perfection. And as it's going, it's another $22. So I'm up at least $50 in the last, what, 5-10 minutes? And I didn't even do anything. Nice. That is gorgeous right there. That is freaking gorgeous. Thank you, Umar, again. Good morning, Paul. Chris says the 1 minute and 5 minute blue on SPX and NAS being so close. I don't know. You already asked that, Jay Park, and I already answered it. What are you curious about? It trades to the blue line on NAS, and it trades to the blue line on SPX. Were you trying to imply something? We're beyond the blue line now on NAS. We're beyond the blue line on SPX. We're not below the blue line on US 30. Henceforth, why the scanner looks like this. What part? Okay, I'm confused as fuck. I don't mind answering questions, but when I answered it once and I answered it twice, and now I'm answering it a third time. Wow. Look. Look, this is why I'm calling 1 minute, 5 minute sell stops to the 5 minute blue line of US 30. Will it get there? Are we in the money on all those trades? Yes. Do I think we're eventually going to probably hit these 15 minutes today? Yep. Or at least one or two of these will. Yep. And then do I think we're going to see the 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops hit? Yep. I do on all those. But that's why that significant thing means shit. It means you trade to the blue line. That's what it means. If SPX hit the blue line first on the 5 minute, let's take a look. Let me be as clear as I can be. I don't look. Here it is. So look what we have. We have US 30, boom. Okay, here. So this is NAS. Oh, God, I don't even know it hit it so many times. NAS is below its. Let me see SPX to get something else here for you guys to help you out. Okay, so we'll go to the latest. This is the ricochet. And let me show you something here. Price was started above, came down, hit the blue line, came back up, hit the blue line again, forming our downward sloping arrow. Simple as could be. Look over here on NAS. The exact same thing. Look at it. Came above, came down, came back up, came below, hit the blue line again. Just like that. Let's take a look at US 30. No, US 30 has not gone down to hit its blue line. So you will play every 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line. Does that mean that US 30 is going to hit its blue line? No. Does that mean if you'd have took the trade from here to here, you would have made 15 pips? Yep. Oh, well, that's not a true. I'm not telling you it is. Is this a fill in the gap sell stop? Yep. Could have got it here. You could have been up 7, 8, 10 pips. There's another one here forming. I'm not going to get into these 30-second 1 minute sells. So yes, is there any significance? Yeah, because we're trading to the blue line. That's why. The significance is what I keep telling you over and over again, and I'm not going to repeat it again. So there you go. I'll repeat it only when I do my actual trading with you guys. Good morning, Paul. Good morning, Tanny. Thank you, Johan, to be on both. Thank you, sir. All right. God bless, child. Okay, sounds like a nice name. Welcome. God bless. Okay, let's take a look of how I would read these charts. All right. Nope, I'm going to go over here. Give me 1 second. I got to turn something on. Damn, we are making so. I should have dropped in more. I dropped in 4 of them. But that is nice as heck. Making like $63. Not even doing a thing. People are funny. Oh, I don't know. And I can't read the charts. Umar just read the chart perfectly. He told me, I looked at the chart, agreed with him. I took out some options on it. In the money options, by the way, we're in the money already on those, the knockout on Nadex. I mean, again, you guys trade however you want to trade, but dang gone. Yeah, you have to email in your questions if they're not posting, Michael. You have to email in your questions. Was the 5 minute, 15 minute back break on NAS a correct read, or did I miss something? I got in at 6:59 p.m. It doesn't work like that. It has to be Forex time. I don't answer specific questions. I wasn't sure. I should have waited on the 15-minute sniper to come up or not. I am currently in the money 3 pips, but I'm not sure if it was the correct call. I missed something. Yeah, I'm not going to answer every fucking little trade you do. Don't ask that. No. Now, if you're asking for 5-minute, you shouldn't even be trading the 5-minute, 15-minute trade. You should only be trading 15-minute 1 hours, 15-minute 1 hour, or you can do a 30-minute 1 hour, whichever version. Let me go ahead and look at it. Wow. You're 5-minute, 15-minute on the NAS. 5-minute, 15-minute. I wouldn't trade these two. What is he looking for? I don't even understand the question. Is this a buy stop? Is this a sell stop? I mean, what do you, this is the worst worded question. You can't tell me the time. You have to tell me the Forex time. Wow. This is ridiculous at this point. Good morning, Shash. God bless you, Shash. No, I'm not even going to answer that. So you're out of luck. I have no idea what you're talking about. Answered on live. Please don't. Wow. Okay. That was pitiful. That was embarrassingly pitiful. I'm supposed to be able to see times in and time. What the fuck? It needs to be Forex time, guys. What the symbol was, what the two things you were looking at. I don't even know if he's trying to do a buy stop. I don't know if he's trying to do a sell stop. I don't know what the hell he's trying to do. I'm assuming he's doing a 15-minute sell. But if it's a 15-minute sell 1 hour, yeah, then that would be a nice read. But if he's talking about a 5-minute, 15-minute, there is no such thing. No, there is no 5-minute, 15-minute anything for NAS. So whatever your question is, you're wrong. Can I be any more? $26. Let me go back to USD JPY. Just let me keep being happy with this trade. USD JPY, look at it. Holy shit. Okay, let's just analyze this trade. If I was going to do USD JPY, I would go to the 1 hour chart. This is exactly what I would do. Matter of fact, this is what I did live with you guys. I'd look at the 1 hour chart and I'd say, hey, sniper, is it high or is it low? And it looks like it just came down. Now, let me make this down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my 1 hour down to here, USD JPY. And I'm going to say, hey, Mr. Sniper, 1 hour, right? Are you up high or are you down low? I can see, oh, look at it go. Holy fucking shit. $36 on 2 more options. That is, now we're up 70. Well, I don't know what the hell we're up, like $70, $80 on these tiny little options. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? That is incredible. I love that. Omar, thank you so much for pointing out that pair to me. Again, I can't watch every pair. That's why I have the scanner. But when I trade with you guys, I can't trade with you guys and watch the scanner at the same time. So it puts a little hamper on things. Let me see something. That is amazing. I'm going to show you how I do this trade in just a second, how we called this trade, how Umar saw the trade yesterday and this morning and called it out perfect. Perfect job. Let me just see something over here. Okay, now I'm going to go back there. All right, here we go. So 15. Look at this shit. What gorgeousness are you watching? Fill in the gap. Going. That's perfect. You can close all your trades on USD JPY. Matter of fact, I'm up $34 more. Are you kidding me? This is fantastic. $36, $40 on some 2 shitty little options. $40. Oh my gosh. And you guys say, well, you got trades open that are up $18,000. And yeah, I like winning. I hate freaking losing. Hate it. I don't care if it's a $1 trade. I'm winning it. I lost for 5.5 years. I don't want to lose ever. And I do. I understand that. I understand I lose once in a while. I get it. But I hate it. Hate it, hate it, hate it, hate it, hate it, hate it, hate it some more. and hate it again. So when I win $30, $36, $26, $40, as long as it's a win, I'm taking it as a personal victory. Can't stand losing. All right, let me see over here. Nice. I think the picture on TikTok's pretty nice, actually. Gorgeous. $32, $36. Jeez, a fucking pizza. Thank you, Umar, again. Good morning, PK. Creating daily, weekly buy. USD to the weekly yellow. That may be, but weekly trades are very, very, very hard to catch, Umar. I always stick with the 15-minute 1 hours and be happy. This is where everyone should be playing when they're not sure of themselves. 15-minute 1 hours. What's up, Trader 001? Why does that look like what's his face? Did you change your name? Yeah, that looks like, are you Trader 0015? You look like what's his face and what's his face's brother from a while ago. Thing 1 and Thing 2. What were you guys called? If Bri would hear, she would remember. It looks like you. Good morning, Jacob Silva. Good morning, Jacob. All right, so let's get back to how I read these trades and how Umar read the trade. Umar said there's a beautiful looking 15-minute 1 hour. So how I would read this trade, I'd put my 1 hour on the bottom and say, hey, did the blue line come down? Yes, it did. And then the first time the pink line arched up, I would look at that too, and I'll show you what it looks like. Watch. So when Umar saw this first sell stop would have been right here. This is when he got in, I'm sure, yesterday. The very first time it happened. What am I looking at? Let's be specific in what I'm looking at, okay? Let's be very, very, very specific. You know what? Let me go out of here and I'm going to go over to my trading view because I like trading view right here. Let me get it set here. Let me get here. And oh, I'm still live there? Really? I am? Huh. I didn't think I would be. All right. Trading view it is. Here we go. Because a lot of you have trading view now. Some still have MetaTrader 4. It's all good. They're the same charts on both. Let's take a look. Get rid of this right here. All right. So what are we looking at? We're going to go to, oh, shoot fire. I got to find it first. USD. Yeah, I don't have it here. Hold on. Let me go over here. And it was, hold on, $28. Let me pull over here. Was it the USD JPY? It was USD JPY. Let's go over there. USD JPY. I'm assuming like Black Bull. Oh, shit. USD JPY. FX.com, Alanda, Forex.com, Pepperstone. I don't know who would be the closest to us. I was kind of hoping for Black Bull. There it is. I think we'll get it here. Let's see. Well, I'm going to leave it here. I'll cover this up with black. Hold on. So the only chart we're looking at is up here. Right here. Okay. You're welcome, Bob. All right, let's see. Beautiful. What's his face? Good morning, Kevin, y'all. What's up, Kamala? Good morning. I think I was thinking about the Swedish twins or Nordic twins or something like that, maybe. I don't know, maybe. All right, so let's take a look again. That orange looks good on TikTok. Nice. $16. All right. Where were we? Sorry. Hold on. Let me see something right here. We're in the money on the sell on US 30, we're up $2. We're up $4 on the sell on US 30. Taking my money out, taking my profit out at $4. In the money on the sell on the USD JPY, in the money on that. Yay. Okay, now getting back to USD JPY, here we go. US 30 dropping, like you said. Nice. Thank you, Grease Monkey. All right, fine. Let me go look at US 30. Hold on. Let's go over to 1 minute. Let's go over to reset. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. There it is. Gorgeous. 1 minute sell stop perfection. Red, 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 green, red, red. I don't know why. Some of you really don't like the trading view, but I think it's pretty handy dandy. So you're in the money on the sell stop on US 30 as called, whatever. Yay. Oh, shoot fire. Gosh darn it. I didn't save the USD JPY one. Hold on. Let me go over to here. And let me go over to here. USD JPY. That was the one we were looking for. And now we have to go down here, which is there. Hold on. Black Bull. Let me set that up here. And then we'll close that down. And let's go over here. And let's go over to here. Let's take that back down. All right, now let's reset and set the chart view. Now, this was what we're riding and playing and making some money on, thanks to Umar. Called it out fantastically. And this is what Umar was seeing yesterday. We can do this now. So let me go back over to here. And now we can use both, so we'll delete that. All right. Now, trading view. Boom, right? We have trading view here. We're going to make this our 1 hour. And we're going to make this our 15-minute, just like it is. See this? Now, this is why trading view does have its advantages, by the way, for people who are bitching and whining and complaining. This is it right here. You have number 1 is the 1 hour blue line low. It is. Number 2, did the blue line arch up on the 15-minute? And it did. Number 3, did the pink go against it, which it did right here? Number 4, was there a sell stop? And this happened yesterday. And Umar rode this one down over 100 pips, I'm sure, and made his money. Another one sell stop, another sell stop, so on and so forth. Okay. Now, how does it look today? Let's take a look. We have right here, we have the pull up right here. We have the sell stop right here. And we have our blue line down here with this pink line up here. So watch, this is what it looks live. This is on your trading view. We're looking at it go down below here. Even if you use the traditional way of doing a sell stop, you would have made money. Boom. How much money? I don't know, because they do silly things. It would have been from here to there. About 17 pips. About that. Someone's ringing the bell. Let them in. Still up $20 on that option. Thank you very much again, Umar. So this is how it looks. This is what a beautiful, perfectly executed sell stop looks like. You guys should take a picture of it. A better one, because it's always the first one, a better one is this. When you first see it drop down and you first see the pink arch up against it and you first see the first blue against the down blue, you first see your first sell stop and your BOC isn't broken. When you first see this, it's the best one. Okay? All right. So there you go. The first one is the best one. Does that mean the second one that's today isn't any good? No. Not only was it good, it was perfect. Oh, but it's blah, blah, blah. It's only whatever this is, 5 pips, 7 pips, whatever it is. Who cares? It's enough to make me $24, $26, $28 right now on a knockout option. You buy 10 of them, you're up $260. You're done for trading. That's all. Look at it go down before your very eyes and then tell me, oh, it's not working. No, he made a correct call and it's perfection. And not only that, we have a broken BOC 15-minute right here. Fucking fantastic. Against a non-broken BOC right here. This BOC is not broken. Let me get these out of the way. So non-broken versus broken. Again, if you guys, okay, let me stop for a second. Who here, okay, type a 9 if you can't see the sell stop that I'm talking about right here. Type a 9 if you can't see the sell stop I'm talking about that we're making money in, that I'm personally making money in. Are the traditional ways just the regular system without the sniper? Are the traditional way? Yeah, the traditional way is without the sniper, correct. I would never, let me be clear as a human being can be, I will never trade again without the sniper. It's that important. Is there anyone here with a 9? TikTok or YouTube or otherwise? Sniper rules. It rules beyond comprehension, correct. So all of you see the sell stop. That would be a 7 for a yes, a 9 for a no. Does everyone here see the 15-minute, 1-hour sell stop? Yes or no, please, because this is too basic of a concept for you guys not to understand. Tim says 7. Thank you, Wong. 777. Yes, yes. Johan, yes. Trader Mike, Michael Simmons, yes. Okay. Now, while all of you saw it, one of you called it, Umar. So Umar called this and it's perfection. I'm up another $32. This is insanity to me. I don't know. I heard the trade. I saw Umar write it out. I went and did it. Now, legally, I can only tell you guys the trade demo. So then, did anyone take it on their demo account? I traded it live in my account and I'm making money. I made money and I'm making more money. Craziest thing on earth. I don't know. Everyone here can demo trade. I guarantee you can. I think even Pepperstone's allowing you in. I think Black Bull is allowing in too, but I'm near positive Pepperstone is. If you don't like those, do Tradeovite. If you don't like, you can literally trade GBP USD on USD JPY. Sorry, UJ. USD JPY. You can trade it on Nadex. I'm trading it on Nadex. You can trade it on Forex.com. I 100% guarantee you can. Oh, well, I'm having trouble with my this and that and this and that. Oh, okay. Hey, that reminds me. I got to get that written out for Bri. Hold on. Let's see. Forex.com. MetaTrader 4. I'm positive of it. Ha ha ha. That's funny. We got our way around it now. Anything Black Bull, I'm your guy. Pip Hunter. Black Bull allowing in United States of American citizens to open up their accounts. Yes or no? Up 8 pips on UJ, says DW. Nice, DW. Good morning again, Tarson Black. I wonder if Pip Hunter likes it. Do you like Black Bull? I know they give good signals, good reads for us for what we need. US, yes. Canadian, no. Thank you, Pip Hunter. Perfect. So they're still allowing it. Black Bull's allowing. Do they have the indices on Black Bull? Yes or no? Do they have US 30 or SPX or NAS? What leverage are allowing for US? And I don't think Black Bull, by the way, Malachi, all of them. Nice, Pip Hunter. What is the leverage Malachi is asking? Good morning, Malachi. And the question comes in is why on earth? Good morning. Why on earth are they? How do I word this so no one gets upset with me? Why on earth do certain why on earth legally is our government going into other countries brokerage houses and telling them what they can or cannot do. What kind of it's the most insane thing I've ever heard of. We're all grown adults. If we want to put our money in Eagle FX or Hugo's Way or Pepperstone or Forex.com or Tradeovite, we should be able to put our money wherever we want to put our money. We're grown adults. If things get burnt, we get burnt. That isn't the reason why our government's doing that. They're not trying to protect us. Why does America have a day trading rule where you can't do more than 3 trades in a week or whatever bullshit is, and you have to have $20,000 in your account or whatever bullshit it is? It's because they're trying to keep the small man down. They're literally trying to keep us poor, even in the stock market, even in the Forex market. They don't want us trading. Like, just trust me on this. They're doing everything to keep us down. Why do you think the leverage in the American markets are 50 to 1? Why? It's so weird to me. Because they are the form of the government and they are here to protect us and tell us what to do. I hope that came across sarcastic. I know, right, Malachi? We're grown adults. Pip Hunter, 1 to 1,000? What? Are you sure about that? 1 to 1,000 is not even 1 to 500? Holy shit, Pip Hunter. Black Bull, here I come, brother. That's my government I suffer from with internal corruption every day. Amen. Boss too. They are allowing 1 to 1,000 on all the indices on Black Bull. I'm going to write that down. Hold on a second. Black Bull might become my new best friend. Black Bull. Holy shit. Get account. I'll at least do a demo with them and see what it looks like. Holy shit. I'm guessing you don't have any trouble pulling any money out. South Africa. We're a trader 100%, right? We're not exactly not corrupt here. I couldn't imagine how corrupt you are in South Africa. Oh my goodness. I couldn't imagine that at all. I just couldn't. Okay. All right. Enough of fun time. Let's go back over here. Let's get back on. I'm going to show you guys the US 30s and all these things here. Oh, look at US 30 go. Holy shit. Is US 30 still dropping? Is that right? Hold on a second here. Yo. Is this? No, this isn't. Hold on. US 30 still dropping? Whoa. Guess I was correct on US 30. Sorry, website says 1 to 5. That's still great, though. Can U.S. resident use Black Bull? He just said U.S. residents can use Black Bull, Ron. That's what he took it. US 30 beat US 30. NAS going crazy, too. Yeah. Look at that. Woo! So here we go. US 30 in the money. NAS in the money. SPX in the money. Holy shit. Buy the system. Learn how to trade. Good morning, Ron. Yeah, we're just talking about it. Look at it. Look at this stuff. Fucking awesome. Yes, this is all called out. Thanks to the free gift from Bri and I to you guys called the H&H Blue Line Scanner. Called it out. I was able to tell you this. I was able to write this out for you and tell you this trade before it happened last night because, I have a little more trading experience than you guys. 1 minute sell stops. My favorite are the 1 hour buy stops. Still true, but stay in these sells as long as you can. Right? Look at it. This is all called out. Gold came close to the 1 minute blue line. Thank you, Durov, Rav. Lock, just checked. Good morning, Lock. I don't see anything else you wrote, though. I think he said 1 to 500, and yes, Joseph Tambino on Black Bull. I'll check into that. Probably today, definitely, but over the weekend I will. US 30 NAS, though. These were, one was red first and the other two followed, but then they all turned red, as I called out last night at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then I said, you're going to get these 5 minutes. And then today, while US 30 was going up, I said, no, I'm doing a sell stop. And I made money on my sell stop on my option. And yep, made money on it. Was very, very happy. Closed it down and it's still dropping. Right? So how did I do it? Because of the free gift from me and Bri. Instead of you guys paying $500 a month or charging you $500 a month for this, we gave it to you if you're in the sniper. We gave it to you for free if you're in the scanner rooms. So if you're in there, you got this free. And if you're in the sniper, you literally have it on your own charts, which is invaluable. It's invaluable. There is no value you can put on that because you can track any pairs you want to track, which we'll get into that later. I'm currently making up a scanner for ERUSD. Udachef, I'm also making up a scanner for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So yeah, I'm making up a scanner for those things too. But right now we have US 30, NAS, and SPX, and it's perfection. Look, I called the sell stop to the 5-minute blue line. Will it get there? I don't know. Are we making money while it gets there? Yeah, look at it. There it is. From here to here. So because of this scanner, well, I don't even know what that was, $40, $50 per 2 contracts. So we were like $96, I think, something like that on these sells. Right here. And all of you could have done the trade. They're all right here. The trade literally would have been from here, depending on your point of entry, to here. You'd be up about 30, 40 pips. By the way, this is a standard triple top look. So this is our logo. Let's be clear what we trade, right? Logo started up high, came down. This is a double top, and then it did its triple right here, and then went pop. This is called a triple top. This isn't an M. This is called a triple top. And that's what it is. Starts up high, comes down low, doop, 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 and then it comes up. This technically, you guys would be considered the safety trade. In my mind, the safety trade is this right here, but I don't want to get in particulars with you guys because you'll get too confused. But that's what this is right there. This is the safety trade, that one. But again, logo came over, came up, and came down. I'm just trying to show you how it drew out the M, did a triple top, downward sloping right here. This is a downward sloping M, triple top M, but it's still in triple top. That's it. Again, just using terminology. Don't want to get you guys, look at that money. Don't want to get you all confused. Where is she heading to? She's heading down to this 5-minute blue line. Is it going to touch it? Is it going to cross it? Is it going to go past it? I don't fucking know. Are you up 20, 30, 40 pips if you did it on demo money? Yes. You're up 20, 30, 40 pips on demo money. Yes, you are. I took the trade. I did it as an option. You guys could take the trade as demo and make your money. Bob Uten says, not, and NAS 68, 18, and 13. Nice, Bob. Standing O for Bob. Congratulations. Yeah, max leverage 1 to 500. Joanne Soaz. I'm sorry about the sad face, Johan. Thank you, Bri. Good morning, all. Good morning, Neil. And I'm not sure what Locke was saying. In the money still, by the way, on that Umar call he made for us. So that's it. So again, let me go ahead and teach you all, since we have time, right? It's 8 o'clock. Wow, I'm killing time this morning. I didn't even mean to. 1 hour. Oh, that's beautiful. 1 hour, 4 hour. Who's our best bet? Give me 1 second. I think I'm going to want to get into some options here again. US 30, 1 hour, 4 hour. Nope, not low enough. NAS. Oh, nice. 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour. Yes, I like this very much. We have 2 hours for the change. We have 2 hours for the change. We have 1 hour for the chain. This is gorgeous. This is fucking fantastic. Yeah, it's going to come down low. I'm not going to get an option yet. Hold on 1 second. Boy, I'm going to be watching NAS like a hawk. I am going to be watching NAS like a hawk. These are my buy stops. I'm moving them into position. Buy stop, 1 hour, 4 hour, enter off the 4 hour line. Make sure you're following rule number 7. As it moves down, we move our buy stops down. Stay in your sell stops of the 1 minute, 5 minutes till when? Until you see US 30 crossed on its blue line, 5-minute blue line to be specific. So let's go over here. Let's go to US 30. We're waiting for it to go down to there, to this blue line right there. If it hits it, awesome. If it goes below it, awesome. I would stay in all sell stops. That's just me. You guys are your own people. Do what you're going to do until you see this arrow flip or until it gets really close to its line. Quite frankly, we're up 30, 40 pips. It might be close enough for you. Now, again, can we get a 15-minute one? Let's take a look at the 15 minutes and see. Please say there's no fucking news today. Please say there's no news. I don't want no 8:30 fucking news. Let's see. Can we get to the blue line? Ho, 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 ho. Oh, not likely today, but you never know. Holy shit. Let me see. Maybe. Let me see SPX real quick. No, too far on SPX. Let me see US 30 real quick. Oh, if it did, holy fuck, we'd be in some money. Yeah, I'm not ruling it out, by the way. I'm not ruling it out. I called it last night. I think we can get 1 or 2 to the 15-minute line. We'll see. By the way, this is a perfect 15-minute, 1-hour sell. Perfect 15-minute, 1-hour sell. Let me see. That's NAS. Let me see US 30. Nope. Let me see SPX. It was here. Hold on a second. NAS. SPX. NAS. US 30. Well, they were the sells. I don't know if our scanner should have picked that. Our signal service should have picked that up. Not. Anyway, NAS is beautiful. Yeah, it's best to email. I love their customer service. They never try to sell you anything. I know they changed some rules about Canadians. I'm with BB for at least 2 years now. Nice, Pip Hunter. Thank you. Malachi says, no real news today. Great. Thank you. No, Neil. We cannot keep it. Matter of fact, you can't even do it. So there's nothing we can do with Eagle FX at this time. You'll have to switch over to TradingView. Now, we are looking into other options, whether it's Black Bull or Forex.com, to at least put it on there. But you're not going to be able to trade the indices on Forex.com. Or at least back when I used them a couple of years ago, you couldn't trade indices on Forex.com. I don't know if Forex.com has indices for us to trade. Good morning, Neil. Again. Touchdown on gold, 1 minute blue line. All right. Gold, let's see. Uh, 30 minute, 1 hour, 30 minute, 1 hour, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. Nice. All right, here's gold. Oh, yeah, gold went to its blue line, 1 minute. Perfect. Now, gold is now doing its 1 minute sell. I would look for a 1 hour. I would look for the 30 minute. I'd look for a 30 minute, 1 hour buy stop now. Let it keep going down. How low can gold go? Pretty low. Let it keep going down, but completely look into the, into the 15-minute, no, into the 30-minute buy stop. 30-minute buy stop, 30-minute, 1 hour buy stop gold. The 1 minute sell has hit its blue line. Good morning, Jason Rock the Bach L. Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Gary Ramundo. Black Bull doesn't accept U.S. clients. Just checked. Oh, fuck. We Trucking. Black Bull doesn't accept U.S. clients. Fuck. Where'd Pip Hunter go? Pip Hunter, they don't accept U.S. clients. Damn it. That's all right. Ah, dang it. 9:10 a.m. news, says Dennis. Good morning, Dennis. Good morning, Mr. Noble. Can we get a daily blue line? Yeah. I do believe it works on daily. Hold on a second. Yeah. You can get daily blue lines. Just switch over to TradingView. right here. Look. See, everyone rips on TradingView. That's not true. Tons of our people love TradingView, but the people who are old school like me rip on it. But there is a lot of good, and you can clearly see the blue line on the daily TradingView, on the 4-hour TradingView. Now, if you're talking about your sniper, that's a different story. But yeah, you can get it right there. Sniper, no. That blows. That's Red Folder 10 news consumer confidence. Yeah, fuck consumer confidence. So they're not accepting new concept at the moment. See, that's because our government is out there telling other countries what our people can do. Our government is out there telling other countries whether they can accept new clients, because no one wants to mess with the FTC. Why do you think I have that legal disclaimer from, covering everything I could possibly think of up now? Because I am just a social influencer, and not even a big one at that. And I want no issues with them whatsoever. Matter of fact, I already said millions of times, first 20 million, even from our government, gets my system. Whoever wants to buy my system for 20 mil can have it. Feel free. Yeah. So if we can't do Black Bull, I'm going to see, can anyone check to see if Forex.com has the indices on there at the time? Gosh, I've been with them for years and years and years. Does Forex.com have our indices? Mainly even one of them. They might have SPY or something, SPX. They might. But knowing because Forex.com is US regulated. And as far as I know, Forex.com still uses MetaTrader 4. But my question would be, do they have our indices? But even if I can get us on Forex.com for the MetaTrader 4, and then you guys can play the different ones, that might be a solution for us. Win-win. We'll see. Little Joe says, good morning. Good morning, Little Joe. So are you looking for unregulated brokers? No, I don't care. I'd prefer a regulated broker that has indices. And I know, who's that sucker? Oh my gosh. One of my brothers just joined them. Interactive Brokers has it. A lot of discussion on Discord about brokers. Yeah, I saw that. I allowed it. US 30, 10 pips from the 5-minute blue line. Nice, Ryan. US 30, thank you, Kev. US 30. Okay, let's take a look at US 30. Gee, who did anyone here call a 5-minute sell stop? And anyone here call this trade out right here, right there? Does anyone remember me calling this trade out? Anyone at all? Did any one of you remember me calling this trade out before the move happened? Does anyone remember me calling this trade out? Anyone at all? Dennis G says. Robel says, yes, flashing the money signs. Anyone on TikTok? It's the money laundering, what they're worrying about. I can easily fund my account on Blackpool via Interact, but I can't withdraw for X, and Bitcoin only allowed to withdraw the way you fund it. Right. It's not money laundering. They're just overstepping is what they're doing. As always. Bullshit. Yes, says Cameron Diaz. Henry Diaz. Yes. Jason says yes. And I got some. Yay, Cameron. Yes, you did, says Steve. Thank you, Steve. Nadal. Yes, thank you, Nadal. All right. So those are some pips. Now, by the way, look at what it's doing. Look at it stretching out its little tentacles. Is it trying its little hardest to get there? It is. It's trying its absolute hardest to get down there. Will it go down and touch the blue line? I don't know. But if you made 70 pips on a sell stop, 70 pips I just made for you, right? On demo money only, 70 pips on legally on demo money only. You just made 70 pips. I think that's pretty good. Dip Hunter says all control. That's all it is. I'm up for $1,200. Nice, Jason Roby. Nice. Lisa Shea says yes, yes, yes. Nadal says yes. Cameron says yes. See, so I don't understand how people have trouble. It's driving me bonkers when I'm losing trades and I can't make trades. I just called out the US 30 before it happened. Umar called out USD JPY before it happened. Right? Hello? I'm calling out trades. My members are calling out trades. And yet some of you are still not making money. Demo money. And again, why should I have to say demo money when you all are freaking grown-ass adults? Make up your own minds. But I'm going to say demo money because that's what legally I'm supposed to do. So make your demo money, guys. Make your demo money. Wink, wink. There you go. Ridiculous. This whole thing, whatever. Trying to keep us down. Fine, do it. There you go. There's your money, by the way. There's your money on the safety trade system. Buy the system. I've been doing horrible. Bree told me I don't bring this shit up anymore. I really don't. This is our little system. Let me show you what it looks like right here. Right there. Okay. You go to thesafetytrade.com. When you buy the system today, you then will get a receipt. Inside the email receipt, there'll be a link to what's called the type form. You get the type form. It walks you through exactly what to do. Basically, we hold your hand to get you to get us your trading view name, which, by the way, the system works free on the free trading view without the sniper. If you get the sniper, you have to do a paid trading view. But with this, without the sniper, it's free. And you do a free trading view account. You send us your username, then we send over the indicators through a link. Then you'll be able to put them on your trading view account. If you buy it today, it's $575. And it's right here. Thesafetytrade.com is where you go to. And I'm horrible about this. I'm supposed to be doing this all the time. I didn't even do it like Sunday night. I don't think I did it Monday until late last night. The reason why I'm offering this still to you, and this is going to be a closed group very soon. I said I might keep this open until December. I have a feeling this might be a closed group by February or March, meaning no new members unless you're a family member or you know somebody to refer you in. This is going to be a members only group very soon. So if you're thinking about like leaving and coming back, because if you're not in there when I close this group down, you will never get in there. So I'm just being upfront so you guys understand. I said this will be a closed group by this time next year. I have a feeling it's going to be a closed group by March, April, something like that. That's what I think. That's what I think. I want to get as many people in there before I close it off. I'm trying to help as many people as I can, but I refuse to have any issues out there with anyone. So if that means I have to close the group down and just keep it a private members only group, I will. I hope you guys are all hearing that and understanding that. If you're on the fence about joining and getting this system, I would get the fucking system now. At least you're in it. And I go back and forth. I really do. There's some days I want 1 million people in here, and there's other days, hell, 10 minutes later, I don't. So it depends on how the signal launch goes or not, which I have a feeling I know how it's going to go. That's what's going to determine things. So I'd buy this for your Christmas present for your wife, for your children, for your nieces and nephews, for your aunts and uncles. Grandparents can learn this. Yeah, we've had 80-year-olds, we had 70-year-olds, we have 60-year-olds, we have 50-year-olds, 30, 20s. I know that there's 18-year-olds. I know it is. I know where'd Azar go? He bought it for his nephew. I know Ken bought it for his brothers and his nephew. I know tons of people, actually, they brought it for their family. We're talking about the greatest Christmas gift you can give. How about the gift of financial possibility of financial freedom? One of our members just sent in an email last night, and said before he got with me, he was paying $1,000 a month for a trading bot that did nothing but lose him money. And he had to pay $2,500 up front and $1,000 a month for the bot. He lost $4,000 on a shitty ass pile of shit, non-functional trading bot. I don't understand. People's values and things are really weird in this world. Why would you try to use a bot? I know he didn't know who I was at that time, but while someone's out here actually literally teaching you how to trade, I don't know. Morning, McCain. Good morning, Dr. McCain. Demo equals real. That's funny, Bob. It is a steal at 575. Okay. Well, that's my little sales job. Pitiful it is. Get it or don't. What the fuck ever. But please don't get it. Please don't get it if you think you're going to be a whiny person who's going to complain, and I'm saying that as nice as I can, that you don't understand the system, in 2 weeks. Just do not get the system. Please, for the love of God, don't waste my time or yours at all. My God. And Bri won't let me shred the person live, but I love to pull up the email. I love to pull up his whininess. I love to call out his name. I love to tell you where the person lives. I love to tell you his phone number. I'd love to tell you everything about him, but Bri says I can't do that, so I won't do that. But I literally have zero time for whining people that are going to complain that they haven't learned the system in 2 weeks. I'm telling you, the people who learn the system in 2 weeks are outliers. Tommy and Heather and Goroff and everybody that's whoever, right? They are not the normals. Keith, for that matter, 2 weeks. They're not the normals. Normally, it takes a lot longer than that. How much longer than that? I don't know. How much longer than that? 1 to 4 months, 2 to 4 months, sometimes 6 months. And there's outliers that over 6 months it takes to get to learn it. In fact, I think Stevie was saying it took him a year or thereabouts to really get the hang of things. But if you think that the system doesn't work after 2 weeks of you being a complete whiny non-person who's going to take things seriously and try, then please don't buy the system. Don't waste your time or your money. Just don't do it. Umar says USD JP added again. Oh, is it? I closed down my options. I don't know what it is. I can look at it again. Yes, Stevie, 1 year. Yep. Oh, Miss Sky, know that. If you guys only knew that, Kevin, because people are adults doesn't mean they're intelligent. Oh my gosh. I agree with that times a billion, Mr. Sky. I am shocked at how some of these people function in their jobs in society. And I'm not trying to be mean. I'm shocked. It is utterly shocking how some people function in society, and they literally think that they don't understand it in 2 weeks and da 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 da. What are you talking about? You know how silly they sound? It doesn't work, but yet every day I'm on here making correct call after correct call for you all, making money and money and money. I don't know. Whatever. People are funny. Is it easy? To some people it is. Is it easy to most people? Nope. Is it hard? I don't think so. Is it made for beginners? 100% yes. Screw all that stupid VWAP and volume and Fibonacci retracement, naming of candle benders, looking to the left, ascending, descending wedges, looking to the left, not trading on NFP days and all that. All that terminology you have to learn, you don't need to know any of it. Oh, Lord. Is there news at 8:30? 8:21. Why did my, oh, I think I have my alarm set to a different time. Hold on. Whatever you do, don't trade the fucking don't trade from 8:25 on. Now listen, if there's any news today, and there might be, if there's any news at this time, and I don't know, someone said 10 o'clock, someone said there isn't any, just lock in profit, don't trade, or go ahead and put in your 1 hour buy stops. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops. Let me see now. Don't get suckered into them. But at the same time, follow it down as it comes down. See, now it's below. Minimum, put your buy stop up here. Minimum, put it at least here. Right there, and wait. Minimum, put it on that yellow line. But you're supposed to chase it down in the channel is what you're supposed to do. That's what I'm looking at. Now, if you don't want to do these, then by all means, I'm going to take out an option right now. So let's go ahead and go over. I'm going to go over to the NAS. Sorry. I'm going to go over to right here. I'm going to go over to, thank you very much for telling us that USDJP is added again. I'm going to go right over here. I'm going to go over to my knockouts. I'm going to go over to my indices. I'm going to go over to US Tech, closest thing we got to NAS 100. I'm going to come over to here and I'm going to do a sell stop. I'm sorry, I'm going to do a buy stop. Don't like that one. This one I do. I'm going to do the middle one right here. And I'm going to put this right there. Let's see if we can pull off a $300 banger right here. And that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to sit and I'm going to wait. And I'm going to see if we make some money on that buy. It may take all day today. It may take till tomorrow. It may take till 9:30 this morning. I have a feeling they'll either move this between now and 10:30, or they'll move it between 1:30 and 2:30 up. I mean by move up. And just wait. Could be wrong. Fuck it. Don't care. All right. So if there's any news at 8:30, please just lock in your profits. Don't play it and sit back and watch. If I had to make a call, even if it's 10 o'clock or whatever, we'll see a push down further, more sells, and then we'll see a buy later on. That's what you'll see. Mr. Sky, the younger the person, more the open there to it. Women. Yep, that's true. All of that is true. Good morning, Clean Eat Junkie. Crude is nice move down. Let's take a look at crude oil. That's the one that pissed me off last night, but let's take a look. U.S. oil. To the blue line, by the way. Okay, let's take a look at this. Let's go over to TradingView so you guys can see it clearly. Let's go over to TradingView. And let's take a look. We're going to go over to oil. Right here. And we're going to go over to oil here. And I'm going to show you how easy this is to read. Okay. Oh, we're in the money. We're in the money. We're in the money. We're in the money. On the buy stop, we're in the money on selling these two. We're closing those two down. We're in the money on the USD JPY again. That was called out by Umer twice now. We're in the money on the buy stop on NAS. Hold on. Hold the door. Hold the door. Let me see. NAS. Let me see NAS real quick. Hold the door. Yep. We're in the money on our buys on NAS. We're in the money on my options on the buys on NAS. We're in the money on our buys on NAS straight out. You're in the money on the buys on NAS. Take your money and run. Take your money and run if you're in the buys on NAS. If you're in the money on the buys on NAS, take the money and run. I just made those trades with you. Matter of fact, I'm closing my one down. Boop. And I'm going to take this one off the table right here. I don't want this open. So we're going to delete that one. Okay. So yes, you're in the money on the buy on NAS. You're in the money on the buy on NAS. I'm going to go ahead and lock in profit on the one remaining one I have. You're in the money on the buy on NAS on the straight out MetaTrader 4, whatever, and you're in the money on your buy on NAS on my thing. Hold on, let me go over here. I'm going to close these down. Let me close down at least one. Okay, and I'm closing one down. Beautiful. You made money on the buy stop NAS. You made money on your buy stop NAS. Anybody that's watching, you made money on your buy stop NAS. Why did I do that? Because I was following it down, told you underneath here, told you on the 4-hour where we were at, showed you where it was, told you where it was, arrow to where it was, and I took the buy stops that I said I would. I'm in the money on all three. I'm in the money on my options, and I'm in the money on the straight out buys. Take the money and run, close it down. I'm not going to say it's going to continue to go up. I'm telling you right now, you made your money. It was about 8-10 pips. Take the money and run. Take the money and run. Bingo, boppo, bango. Boom. And that's how you do it. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. Women are more disciplined. Sorry, guys. That's true, Bob. Crew, nice move down. That's true. Did anyone see the buy stops engaged? Take the money on NAS and the options also on the, I hope Mike was listening and took that. The options. Simple as that. I hope someone out there demo traded that money and you made your money. Bingo, boppo, bango. Made your money. Perfect. Perfect. I hope someone caught that. No news at 8:30. Thank God. 9 a.m. there's house pricing, and at 10 a.m. there's consumer confidence index. Thank you, Chaz. Fuck the news. I swear to God, these people are insane with their news. In profit on all three. Nice. All right. I've yet to explain. I'm going to wait a couple minutes. Then I'm going to go into an explanation of how I trade. I just started it, but I never finished. Make sure you're recording your session. You should be recording this session and every session you ever trade so you can learn from what you're doing. You can condense your learning from what might take you a year to learn how to do the system. If you rewatch the session today, you can make it 52 Tuesdays today by just recording it and rewatching it 52 times. So you can condense your learning from years into weeks. I was trying to explain to that, all that yesterday. And that's what you do. Still in profit on all. Nice little move right there. Again, some of you aren't cut out for these faster type moves, then don't trade those time frames. I'm literally trading on the 1 hour, 4 hours anyways. So this isn't a move. This is just a move. That's all it is. Beautiful little call out there. Love that. Pull off $500, $600, $700, $321 right now. $30, $21, $26. Just beautiful. You're telling me that's not good? $28, $30. Bingo, boppo, bango. Take that money and run. Up $600, up $700. 7 pips, 6 pips, 5 pips. You're in the money on all of that. Take the money and run. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Okay, does anybody have any questions? Oh, nice. We are in some nice money. I wasn't even looking. Bingo, bapo, bango, bingo. 1100. So 100, 10 pips, 11 pips. Look at it go back up. $51 on my option. Beautiful. Grand, whatever this is over here. Just picture perfect. Take the money and run. Take that money and run. Unless you have more than one open like me, I closed one down. I left one open. This is what you do. This last trade was just placed right now. That was my buy stop right there at whatever time that was, just a few minutes ago, 11:28. Forex time, sorry, 15, whatever that is, 26. Hold it. Why the fuck is this so off? There you go. 15:24. Beautiful. Take that money and run. Close these trades down. If you're up 8, 10, 12 pips, holy shit, boys. Taking my $56 out of my little option. That is what I call beautiful. That is what I call beautiful. Nice. Let's check on our USD JPY real quick. I just want to see something real quick. Yep, there we go again. And then Umar was right twice. Umar, thank you, sir. Let's go back to US 30. Yep. Now, how did I know it was going to turn at that time? Well, I've been trading a long time. That's all I can tell you. Oh, but it's this. I showed you how I trailed it down on the 1 hour. I showed you where I put it in on the 4 hour. I told you what I did. Showed you, did it with you, traded it live. All I can do, guys. That's all I can do. There it is. Doop, doop. Does that mean it's going to keep going up forever, that we're all done with these? No. No, it doesn't. Does it mean that we're in a nice little trade? Yeah. Yes, it does. Beautiful trade. Warren Kev, does the pull down the sniper blue line on NAS for a cause alert? Cause alert, Rob. What's up, Groot? 4 hour NAS, he's saying 4 hour. Yeah, this is now a 4 hour daily buy stop, and it is. So now technically you have to wait for it to come down to the daily line right here. Because listen, guys, whenever you see, and this isn't a big pull down, by the way, so that's where I'd be concerned with. But whenever you see this move the opposite direction, see this one right here was fine. That wasn't even below our line. You see our little lines right here? Yes, you don't have them. I understand that they're being developed and they'll be given out for free when I finish them. But for now, they're not. They're just right here. Okay. A sniper on gold turning up. I have to go look at that. So look, this is what he's talking about. And yes, this would then make this a buy stop. This is now a 4 hour. So if we're going to do a 4 hour NAS, we have to come over here and we have to do it daily. So let me explain to you what you're seeing. If this is now a 4 hour daily, let me go over the rules. This is how I trade. I get up in the morning, I pray. Thank God for everything. I do my Wim Hof. I do my grounding. I do my Wim Hof, my red light therapy. I do my cold therapy. I do all my exercises. Then I come over and I look at the H&H scanner. That's exactly what I did this morning with you all. Said, hey guys, keep a lookout for a 5-minute sell stop because all the rest of these were red at the time. And I already called these out last night. I called you out, told you what they're going to do. So I look at that scanner. That scanner is free if you're in the sniper. That scanner is free if you're in the scanner room. Can you imagine? $500 a month we give to you guys for free because of me and Bri. Whatever. Sure, we're not, whatever. So that's it. So then I look at that. Then I look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour, what do I see? I see a 1 hour. Let's go over to 1 hour. I see it's down low. I say, okay, well, it's down low. Was there any 15 minutes? There kind of was actually, but we're going to go to the 4 hour. Then there was a 1 hour, 4 hour. Now the 4 hour is also dipping down low. So no longer are we in a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Now we're in a 4 hour daily buy stop. Why? Because the daily blue line is high. Then we have our blue line dip right here on our 4 hour NAS. Then the 3, the pink came down against it. Number 4, is there a buy stop? Well, by golly, there is. There's a fill in the gap buy stop right here. You guys don't know what that means, 90% of you, but that's okay. It's a buy stop, and there it is. Now, how do we know for sure that it's the right time? It's not. because right here we have to wait for this to come up and over. See this drawing right here? This is a line. This is our logo being drawn out. Well, it's too far away on our daily right here. It's too far away. Let me show you the difference. On gold, if we look at gold, see how it did it? This is what we're waiting for. Everyone here needs to pay attention and answer yes or no. Gold, it came up, it came down. If I literally just draw on the little tip of the arrow right here like this, you can literally see our logo. Can you see the gold logo being drawn out? Literally, do you see it on gold daily? Yes or no? Yes or no? Let's take a look and see if anyone sees that. And do not forget, I took it off of TikTok and I'll take it off of YouTube if I don't get enough answers. D Nice says yes. I think BCM said yes. Bob is the only one that says yes. Thank you, Bob, very much. Okay. So that is a yes. It's literally drawn out. If it's a 9, say a 9. I'll draw it out for you. Look at this. I'm going to draw it out for you. Price starts under, came up, came over, and that's our logo right there. How do you guys not see this? Yes, yes, yes. Sevens, you explained that perfectly, Kevin. Thank you, says Rob Grustius. Yes, yes, yes. HJ says, thank you. Now look, now let's compare this to, okay? Let's just compare this. This is gold on its daily. Now let's look at NAS on its daily. Okay, now look at NAS. Is NAS drawn out our logo? Yes or no? Has NAS drawn out our logo? Yes or no? Look at it. This is NAS. This is where it's at currently, way up here. This is what gold looks like, right? This is gold. Gold came up and went down and touched and did our logo. NAS has not. No, not yet. No, it's not even close. Look, we're waiting for it to go up here, come and hook back down here at the yellow, like that. It's not even close. You can't say, well, no, it's not even close. Gold did it. See gold? It went back down and retraced and touched it. NAS, I'm not saying NAS isn't going to go up. That's not what I'm saying at all. Actually, I'm hoping it does go up, right? What I'm saying is that it hasn't done its proper thing on the 1 hour, 4 hour daily. It hasn't done it. It hasn't done it. Now, do we need it to do it? Nope. Because we also have other symbols that we're looking at. US 30, for instance. Did US 30 arch down on its 4 hour line? Nope. Flat as a pancake. Did SPX do it? See, we trade these all the same. Nope. Flat as a pancake. So the only one that arched down is NAS with the blue line. Arched down, the blue line right here. You see that? This is the only one that did it. US 30 did not. It's flat. See it? SPX did not. So in my mind, we're still on a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop period for all indices. 1 hour, 4 hour. That's it. So I'm going to sit here and wait for my 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops to either be tapped out, make me more money. I already made $56 another option. So you guys laugh, but I make $56 on an option, $36 on an option, $29 on that other option. Earlier this morning, I think it was up like 30 something dollars. You know how many times I do that? And you know how much money I make? You're talking about $300, $400, $500 in a day, which to you guys, oh, that's not that much money. Well, I have bigger trades open with you right now. You see that. But that's not what the average person can do. The average person can make $200, $300, $400 doing those options like I'm doing easily. Easily do it. Okay. Let's go back to that 1 hour. No, not yet. It's for me. Thank you, Amy Lou. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, so 3 people know what they're talking about. The rest never answered. Larry Cooper said yes. I don't know what question I asked, Larry. Hope it wasn't the one. Look, we're still in this trade. I think I am. Yep. Up 848 pips right now. That trade is still open. I haven't closed it. I put my take profit in. I'm up 900. 9 pips. Look at that. 9 pips. 10 pips. 9 pips. 10 pips. There you go. And those are your trades. That's how you trade. I don't know what else to say. Some of you don't really get it, so I'm going to go through it yet again for you all. So here it comes. I'm going to take my time with it. Remember that Bri and I do have stand stores. We are a top 50. I think we're at least the top 50. I think we might even be a top 20. They said that one time. Not sure. We're senior ambassadors for the stand. That means we're highly successful. That means we sell a lot of systems to a lot of different people out there. Okay. That means we make money selling the system. And if you didn't think we did, you don't know me. I'm not in here for charity. I'm here to help you guys make money, and I'm here to make money myself. I'm not here to be, a person who's here altruistically. I love helping you guys. I do everything in my power to help you guys. But the truth of the matter is, I have to make money too. I make money trading. Yep. I make a shit ton doing this. Yep. Do I make money doing stand? Yep. Have I made a Shopify store? Will I make money in my Shopify store? Hopefully, Lord willing. Yep. So don't think I'm doing this just for fun. I'm here trying to help you all make money, and I'm making money too. Hopefully, you guys have common sense that's called reality of the world. Okay. And if you see me getting, I love the Nick Saban quote. I'm going to say it again. He said, passion looks like aggression to the unmotivated. So when you hear me talking passionately or getting exciting or jumping up for down for joy and clapping, I'm very passionate about helping you guys. And I'm telling you, there's quite a few of you say, well, why does he do that? Oh, he's so mean. He's so aggressive. Passion looks like aggression to the unmotivated. I just think that's funny as fuck. I think he's ripping people nicely. Okay. After you buy the system, obviously the only way you're going to master it is by teaching it to someone. I used to do call-ins, have a teacher of the week, teacher of the day. Got too hard to coordinate that with everybody, but I'll still accept any call-ins so you guys can teach other people. I'm assuming Umar had a very, very good teaching day today because he's the one who told us twice to do the USD JPY, and twice we made money with it. In order to learn something, you have to unlearn something. So I'm going to go over how I trade. You guys are going to unlearn everything you thought. This is it. This is what it comes down to for all of you. Good morning, Rico. Oh, gold. Let me look at gold. I'm over here rambling and everyone's talking about gold. Ha ha ha. I'm going to go ahead and say our gold buy stops on the 30-minute 1 hour are paying off incredibly. Here's your 15-minute 1 hour buy stops. You're in the money. We couldn't take any options on that because it was closed. So you saw the 1 minute sells to the blue line, right? And then you just saw right now the 15-minute 1 hour engage. This is the move of the day for gold. I wouldn't trade gold after this. This is a 15-minute 1 hour buy stop on gold that, yes, we was called out live. And there you are. As a matter of fact, I'm still in my gold. I'm up $171 an ounce on gold. Can you imagine? You don't understand what that means. I trained one of my guys the other day, a one-on-one he paid for. I won't say his name, but he was on the floor of the stock market. He goes, you would be retiring multiple traders. I used to say a trader, multiple traders, if they can get $172 an ounce. Okay. So yeah, that's my gold trade, $172. I didn't sell it, and I kept telling you guys why, because the logo formed on the daily. Boop, there it goes. I knew on it because it's an upward sloping W, by the way. Don't get me started on that. I'll confuse all the fuck out of you guys. But again, this is your little W, and it always goes up higher. The steeper this is, the higher it'll go above your middle line, which it is. This is your downward M right here. It went down below the M right there. I don't want to, there's stuff I just don't teach you guys because I can't even get you guys to understand fucking two blue lines. I'm going to be honest with you. I can't get the majority of you to understand two blue lines, two lines to how to trade, and it still confuses most of you. You know how bad that is? That's really bad. But I don't teach any of the advanced stuff like how you're trading inside of 4 hour candles or daily candles or anything like that, because I can't even get basic comprehension from you all. Don't get mad, but I can't. It's the truth. I can't. Good morning, MC. Rocket says that's hilarious. I know. Well, I know you guys aren't all get offended and mad at me and leave. I don't care. Leave. Oh, by the way, 105 of you watching on YouTube. Awesome. Welcome. I'm glad you all are here. 90 thumbs up. That's pretty good. 34 of you watching on TikTok. We need more people to go over to TikTok, please. Yep. And I'm going to give you a real big hint. Unless that number hits 50 by 9 o'clock, you'll see the YouTube feed go down. So when you see the YouTube feed go down, understand I'm over on TikTok. Okay. So I'll be closing down the YouTube feed in a matter of a few minutes. Matter of fact, I'll set my timer for that. And then when it's closed down, just head on over to TikTok and find me, The Real Safety Trade, Kevin Grego. You know the routine. There you go. You got less than 13 minutes to head over to TikTok. And I'm not going to say it again, so good luck on that. Nice. Made some money. Look at that gold. So, again, this was a 15-minute, 1-hour buy stop. So let me go ahead and use this as an example. I'll make this gold, and I'll teach you through gold how I trade. We're going to go over to here. We're going to make this. And again, this is our logo. Let's take a look at this. Logo started underneath. So that's underneath. Came back up. Retested here, and pop, up she went. It's literally, when you change it to line, right, on the 1 hour, if you're going to be trading 1 hour, 15 minutes, you wait for the logo to occur. Let me show you what that looks like again. I'll draw it out by hand. This is right here. This line I'm tracing is the computer doing this. Hold on. Sorry. And that's what it looks like. And that computer, the trading, our literal MetaTrader 4 is drawing out our line. And that's literally what we trade. So if you come over to here, you're going to see that we have an up. Now, my line isn't 3D and all drawn fancy, but my line is there. The green up arrow. Now, again, mine sucks. I get it. I'm not an artist. And I'll teach you how we find it, but that's it. So like people say, oh my God, gold. Oh my goodness, gold. How did gold do it? Well, because it's doing exactly what the hell it's drawn to do. Literally what I teach every day is what it's doing. Buy stop. Let's take a look. Here we go. Number one, just 2 fucking lines. Is this up high? Yep. Is this down low? Yep, on the 15-minute. When you see that, is there a confirmation? Yep. 3, pink line low. 4, is there a buy stop? Gee, guys, I don't know. Is this a fucking buy stop right here? Yes or no? Let's take a look. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Put your buy line here, and up she goes. Is that hard to see? Is that hard to see? Is that like, am I in some kind of another alternate reality where this is hard to fucking see? Can you guys not see clearly the blue line high, clearly the blue line low, clearly the pink line low, clearly the buy stop right here? Can you guys not see this? Am I speaking a foreign language? Am I speaking something else? Good morning, Andy, Matt Quandi. Anybody at all? Oh, screw it. I'm closing down YouTube. I'm not even waiting. Okay, see you guys. YouTube is being closed. You have your final seconds to head over to TikTok. I'm closing YouTube. If I can't get 100, I'm not even asking it. See you guys. Bye, YouTube. So long. See ya. Either head over to TikTok or don't. Don't give a flying rat's ass. I'll continue over on YouTube, on TikTok. All right. Bye. Great. Glad you all were here. Thank you. Closing down. See you.